and here we go. Hey guys, this is Veronica and we're gonna be making chocolate ganache. Have you seen those cakes that have very sharp edges? Well, most of the times they use chocolate ganache underneath the fondant. You can make either white chocolate ganache, semi-sweet, or extra dark chocolate ganache. To get a good chocolate ganache, the chocolate that you need to use has to have 54% of the cocoa. I have tried this recipe with different chocolates, and the one that I had some trouble with at the beginning was with the Nestle chocolate chips, but the recipe that I want to be showing you, it was made with those chocolate chips, so you're gonna be fine. The recipe is so simple. All you're gonna need is chocolate, the chocolate chips, and some heavy cream. And what we're gonna do is, the ratio we're gonna be using is 2:1, 2 parts of chocolate to 1 part of the heavy cream. So for this recipe, what I used was 2 pounds of chocolate to 1 pound of the heavy cream. Okay, so let me tell you how I make this ganache. Very simple. What I do first is I'm gonna pour the chocolate in a microwavable container or bowl, and also the heavy cream. I'm gonna put them all together just to make sure that everything heats up evenly and I don't have to worry about burning the chocolate with the cream. So I just put everything together, put it on the microwave for about a minute first, and then I take it out. I just let it sit for a little bit. Then I'm gonna have to put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, get it out, let it sit maybe for a minute or so the heat from the bowl is gonna transfer to the chocolate and everything is gonna start melting like pretty much easier and faster. So the second or third time that you put it on the microwave, you're gonna see that it's starting to melt, and that's when I'm gonna start mixing the chocolate and the cream so they come together. And don't worry, it's gonna look a little bit lumpy, that's okay. We're gonna pop it again in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So 30 seconds interval, it's perfect. It's gonna take about 2-3 minutes until the chocolate melts and we combine it with the cream. And just to make sure that we have everything mixed and we don't have those lumps, so we're gonna be using a handheld mixer. All we wanna achieve with this is to get rid of the lumps and have a smoother ganache. Okay, so the chocolate ganache is ready. All I have to do now is to cover it with saran wrap, and I'm gonna let it rest for at least 8 hours. And I just put it on the fridge for 8 hours, and then the next day, 5-6 hours before I'm gonna start using it, I take it out of the fridge, let it sit at room temperature, and so you can make your ganache ahead of time, maybe like a week, 2 weeks, it depends on when you need it. So if you need the recipe, I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can print your recipe. If you would love to learn more about cake decorating and the recipes, make sure to like the video, share with your friends, and click the subscribe button so you can receive notifications every time that I upload a new video. If you want to see more recipes and more tutorials, I have more on my website, so you can go and visit it. The address or the URL is behindthecake.com. But don't worry, I'm gonna leave the link on the description box below. And if you want to interact with more people that is learning cake decorating and also with some experts, head out to my Facebook group where you're gonna see more recipes and people interacting, answering questions, and talking about cake decorating. The link is gonna be down here, so I hope to see you there, and I will see you the next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and you take care. We'll see you next time. Bye. There goes the ice cream guy. Let's wait.